You're not alone. You were created perfectly. You were imagined with the critical eye of fine lines and superb craftsmanship. Your every thought was thought through, your every movement to come orchestrated. You owe your mastery, your every talent and ability to a force that's greater than yourself. You can take no credit for the preparation that went into you, even before there was a you. You exist because you were chosen to exist, selected among many for a purpose of not your exact choosing. You're unique. There is no other like you. Even your frailties were instilled in you as a part of a greater plan. You are of God's build-up. You are as special and as beautiful and as excellent and as creative as God is each of these. You are of critical importance to fulfilling the footprints to your destiny. You're not alone. You're God's build-up. And what God has built up, no one and nothing can break down. What obstacles are in your way, the demonic forces that try to keep company with you, the very animosity that crosses your path is but a stepping stone to strengthen your build-up. You're better than any weakness that confronts you. You're stronger than any negativity that tries to befriend you. You are a chosen victor to fulfill a plan that only you can help to materialize. There is no breakdown to God's build-up.